Hey guys, it's me, Nate from Warts and Milestones, and I got somebody very special here. This is Shaggy the carpet python. Shaggy the carpet python is a brand new animal for us. This is a surrender, or rather a donation from a local pet store that we work with a lot of different animals. And her situation was that her owner, not by their own choice, was no longer able to take care of her, and she was kind of left to fend for herself for a while. So a very good person went in, retrieved her, brought her to the pet store, and we talked to our contact there, and we decided to go ahead and take her, name her Shaggy, and see what kind of animal ambassador she will actually be. So guys, just a quick look. This is Shaggy the carpet python. First day, first time she's letting me hold her. She's not too bad, getting used to stuff, and we're going to find out what works well for this beautiful girl. Until next time, guys, keep life emotional and exciting. We love you guys. Thank you so much for your support, for everybody that sends donations. That helps us be able to save these animals so that they end up having a home and they don't have to do that other thing. So guys, Shaggy says bye. Welcome her to the family, and we'll see you next time.